Well, hello there boys and girls, and welcome back to Senpai Hobby. Today I have a video for you. I went through all of the Modo paints so that you don't have to. I'm not going to show you like each and every bottle. I literally have each of these labeled. I sat here and I primed each one. Each of the white spoons are primed with their white primer or their black primer, depending on the color. The black spoons are all done either with their black or their white primer. So without further ado, let's jump down the table. I want to make this kind of quick, but I want to show you what these look like in real life. Now these are all over gloss paint. So I didn't do anything over flat. If you remember when I did my live, you were getting weird texture. There are some of the spoons in here from last week that are split, so it's flat, gloss, and semi, but I'll let you know when we come to those spoons. All right, wow, look at all these spoons. Holy crap. And yes, don't make any comments about my thumbnails. I haven't trimmed them because I have been using them a lot. So this was sprayed over black. I tried it over white. I didn't really like the way that it ended up looking. So this really should be sprayed over a dark color, and this is the midnight black, and this is like a pearlescent blue. The camera is picking it up a lot brighter than it is. It's just a soft, it looks really good. I wouldn't paint a whole kit in this color, but it would be good for either shading or some highlighting. It's just a soft pearlescent. You could do this over a regular blue and it would look good. But again, I would spray this over a darker color and not a lighter color. Next up, and these are kind of their specialty line. This is the 03, and this is a blood red, and you can kind of see it's a little transparent. So be careful what color you put it over. I would do it over a gray, like a solid gray, but as you can see, you can still see the writing from that side through it. And I didn't do a super heavy coat of primer on these. This one I did not write on it, but this is just the pure blue, just regular blue over a gray primer. Now this is a really curious one. So this is their clear gold. And how I ended up doing this, I wrote myself notes on here. I did the super black, and then I did the chrome, and then I did the clear gold. And this is the result. Now you can spray this over reds and things like that. And in fact, if we take a look on this guy over here, the dragon, that's how they ended up getting the gold effect on there. They actually sprayed it over yellows, over reds, and it looks really good how they ended up doing that. They did different types of these colors over metallics and brighter colors. So yeah, this one's very curious, but it is a nice consistent color. So this one right here, this is a royal blue. The camera's picking it up a little bit brighter. I can't really help that. But yeah, so this is a 04 royal blue, but it is a nice dark blue. This is going to be perfect for Exia. This is their M012, and this is just flat black. And it's a flat black. I really like how this ended up turning out. This is M003, and this is just pure red. This is DX01, and this is just pure white. And this I actually just sprayed over the black primer. So it's actually got black underneath it, as you can see with the spoon. And it turned out really well. Nice gloss finish on there. This is number 17, and this is pure purple. Now this right here, this is royal white. I forgot what the number is on it, but it's royal white, and it's just a pearlescent overcoat. So if you really want it to be noticed, I would do it over a darker color. I did it over white, and I couldn't really notice a difference. I couldn't really see like any sparkle or anything like that, not unless you did it really heavily. So this might be something that you could do, like maybe a highlighting on darker colors. So this is M05, and this is pure yellow, and I'm trying to keep all the metallics to the last. So this is DX01. This is pure black, and it is nice and high gloss. And I think we're finally to the metallic. So this is one of the ones I did last week. This is number 9, Heaven's Gold. Looks freaking great on the gloss. Like on the flat, not so much. Semi-gloss, okay, but on the gloss, it looks great. And this is probably one of my favorite colors. MX21, that's going to be Star Silver. Flat, doesn't look good at all. It needs to be over a gloss. Robot Silver, same thing. That's your semi, that's your gloss, and that's your flat. Gunmetal, so that's semi, that's gloss, and that's flat. Number 6, Pure Gold. So this is going to be on your gloss, your semi, and your flat. Robot Gold, so gloss, semi, flat. Bronze gold is going to be gloss, semi, flat. Bright silver, and I think this one I just did over straight gloss, so that's what you're looking at for bright silver. Ancient gold, now again, this is one of my favorites. Gloss, semi, flat. But this is one of my favorite colors right here. So like two of my favorite colors are going to be these two. So you have rose gold, and this is all over gloss. Star aluminum, gloss, semi, flat. Copper, you know, I don't know, maybe it's if it was a polished copper, but this is what copper looks like. Robot iron, so flat, gloss, semi. Zero silver, this was just sprayed straight over. It turned out real bad when I tried to do it on like doing the gloss and semi and everything. This is straight out of the bottle. It sprays that way. It goes really fast. Champagne, this one I just did over gloss. And super chrome, so gloss, semi, flat. It needs to go over a high gloss black. And that is all of your colors. All right, guys, like I said, I wanted to keep this short. I wanted to keep this simple. This is literally all of the colors that I have from them, because I think I bought each and every color that they had in stock. And I will probably pick up all the rest of them as they come in stock. I do like how they spray. I have found about 3 parts of thinner per 1 part of paint is about perfect, except for the 009 or whatever, the super, like it sprays straight out of the bottle like that. How I ended up doing these, and you can do it this way depending on how much that you have to paint. I literally just took a dollop of paint into my paint cup and then put in about three parts of thinner to thin it down in the cup, took my brush, swirled it up, and sprayed it. And that's how each and every one of these were sprayed. I did not mix them up into bigger bottles because I don't have enough room for that many big bottles. So if you're just spraying small parts and things like that, that should be absolutely perfect for you. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more like that, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. You can buy merch, which I'm not wearing my shirt right now, down below. All the money and the proceeds, there's links down below. Use Senpai Hobby over at Robot Kai, because they are the official distributor for Modo paints here in the US, for 10% off anything on their site. There's no limitations on there. So like I said, Senpai Hobby, all one word, all in caps, 10% off at robotkai.com. There's a link to that down below as well. And thank them for supporting the channel. I will see you guys all in the next video. As usual, peace.